Shortened dictation for practice. Start. In India, people of different religions, castes, tribes, sects live together. Gandhiji said that character can be developed by sincerely following one's religion. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan believed that without religion, man cannot be enlightened. Qualities like truth, self control, humility, and detachment can be inculcated only through religion. Religion is the foundation of ethical life. In a democracy, people of all faiths have the freedom to follow the religion of their choice. This, of course, does not give the right to look down on other religions or treat people of other religions with contempt. Religious integrity can be attained by establishing peace, helping the neighborhood to live ethically, and to show love towards all, and to develop fraternity among all religions.